Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to make some salt and pepper chicken. To start, you need to cut your chicken into small bits like this. You can make it bigger or smaller, it doesn't matter. So I'm using chicken thigh for my recipe. You can start to use chicken breast, doesn't matter. I just like chicken thigh because it's more juicy. So I'll just go ahead and cut my chicken. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, this would be the best time to subscribe, and please like this video. Now let's go ahead and cut some vegetables. I'm using some green and red habanero pepper, and I've also added some spring onions and white onions. Go ahead and cut it as finely as you can. Now time to season this chicken. I've used white pepper, 5 spice, salt. I also added this rainbow pepper I got from the store, but you can simply use black pepper, that's what you have. Just mix everything together and set aside. So in another bowl, I've added cornstarch. Off the camera, I added a bit of black pepper to the cornstarch, and then I put my chicken. Make sure every part of the chicken was well coated and set aside. You can use potato starch for this recipe. I think I actually prefer using potato starch, but I didn't have that, so I used cornstarch. Now let's fry our chicken. In a very hot oil, add your chicken. Cook your chicken until it's golden brown. You can decide to double fry this chicken if you want to be super crunchy, but this was just perfect for me. I'm going to add oil to my work. You can use a frying pan, whatever you have. Throw in your vegetables. I added ginger and garlic. Stir everything together. Please make sure you don't burn your vegetables or overcook it like me, but that's okay. It came out nice. So just toss it for like 1 minute. Now add in your chicken. At this point, you know, everywhere is smelling nice. I can't wait to dig in. I hope you guys really try this recipe because it's really simple and lovely. So again, just keep stirring your chicken together, stir and stir. Let's finish this up with some freshly cracked black pepper. Be generous with this and then serve it. This is the best part. Just serve your chicken. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this recipe. Please like, subscribe, share, and remember, if you make this recipe, do not forget to tag me in your pictures. And thank you for stopping by. Until next time, bye bye.